What's up, all you amazing people? Hope all of you are doing well. And the thing is that I was going to the Amazon. I think it's 5 Riyal shop or something. Well, I saw some videos from the internet and I was curious about it. But well, it's a Friday and the traffic, it doesn't seem it's that much. 18 minutes for 16 kilometers. What is this, Riyadh? That's actually really good. So before I go over there, I actually forgot my prayer mat at one Dunkin' Donut in the afternoon when I was coming from the mosque after Jummah prayer. So first things first, we'll pick that up inshallah, and then we will go to the Amazon store, and then I'm thinking of coming to some coffee shop, sitting there doing some work, so that sort of stuff. Let's go from here. I hope all of you are able to see well, but actually the screen was below. Now I think it would be better. Yeah, now it's better. So let's see how it goes. If you are new to the channel, I'm driving a Changan Eado 2025 and this place is the Muhammadiyah neighborhood here in Riyadh. On this side and on the other side as well is the Muhammadiyah neighborhood. We'll have to look for an opportunity to go in. Okay, so well, the thing is that lately I have been focusing more on the Arabic content on one of my TikTok accounts. I made a new one. My friend Abdullah Al-Kharji, he suggested me to focus on that, so I've been doing that, and I couldn't post frequently on this channel, although I have a backlog of content that I would want to post. So that's what's up in life, and I'm also going to Pakistan pretty soon, so for vacation. So a lot is going on that part as well. So here we are. Can we take a U-turn from here or no? I don't think so we'll be able to take a U-turn, but anyways, we shall go on from the other side exit if there's no U-turn. By the way, this is the Takhassusi street, and well, that's pretty much what's happening in life, and I've been doing a lot of efforts for making content, doing my actual job, working on stuff. There's a lot of burden when it comes to the job, especially since I'm going on a vacation, so I have to make sure that all the matters for the 2 months that I'll be away for, they are figured out, they are sorted. So the burden is mostly for that. Other than that, there's stuff going on in life, but well, all of it all becomes very hectic. But inshallah, this 2-month vacation, it will help me catch up with life. Although I am alhamdulillah enjoying life. There's a coffee shop over here, atypical. I wanted to try it since long, but right now I'm not finding a chance to visit it. Although we passed by it, but I have to go elsewhere. So there's some construction going on over here, and maybe when you will be seeing this video, inshallah, later on, this overhead bridge, it might have been constructed by then, but for now it's being constructed. You can see there's roadworks over here and also the excavations and all this, but inshallah in future, in a few months, if you are seeing this video, it will be done. So here we are, Takhassusi Street, طريق التخصصي. كيف حالكم؟ شخبارك؟ طيبين؟ So I'm also like focusing more on making content in Arabic, and also since I'm learning Arabic alongside, so all that is very good, that's very beneficial. So I think there's traffic over here. I'll try to park somewhere around here or come into the other street. We'll see about that. I think I'll have to go over there. Now we are in Rahmaniya. I think I can park over here and I can quickly fetch my sajadati. I'll make it quick. Okay, so this is Muhammadiyah and Rahmaniya districts here in Riyadh. So you saw these. I'll see you later.